All right, guys, we're going to this military cemetery. I drove past it. Looked really cool. I thought it was just a regular cemetery. All the bodies are not buried under the ground, but it looked really cool. And I Googled it, and it's a military cemetery, and it's in Hoi An, Vietnam. It's not a Hoi An's a pretty touristy area, but this site we're going to is not a tourist site. But it's supposed to be pretty cool. Let's see if they'll let me inside. I don't know if I have to pay or anything, but this is the crazy traffic here. It's also rush hour, so it's not always like this. Okay. There it is right there. Okay. This guy just gotta get over. Okay. I don't know if this is where you park, but probably. Like I said, it's not a tourist area, so that's probably why there's nobody here. But I don't know what that says on the tower there, but wow. It's very big. Hope this isn't English, so I can tell you guys. It's from the Vietnam War, obviously. And it's very well kept. It's very clean here. I've seen other cemeteries and not so much, but probably because it's a military one. I don't know if it's funded by the government, but most likely. Let's go up the tower first for the big reveal. Oh, look at this. It's like a mural. I still don't know exactly what this is, but they are mostly Buddhist in Vietnam, and they burn incense, especially for their relatives and their dead ones and stuff like that. I'm still learning about it. More mules, but this one's not a war over here. It's just the people living their life. And what about this one? Looks like everybody's making something like industrial kind of stuff. And there's more writing up there. It's the same thing written, I believe. Doi Kok Gi Kang. I don't know. Looks like the letters are windows, so like there's an inside, I guess. And then this mural is them farming. But if you take a look over here, that's the cemetery. Look how many people there are. Man. It's kind of making the hairs in the back of my neck stand up a little bit. Pretty tragic for real what everybody has to do for their government. These people and our people. Like, nobody wanted this war. Nobody asked for this shit. But would you look how many people are here? And look, down in the incense, everybody's got one. Wonder how many people come here still to this day to mourn their very own grandpa or son, whatever. I mean, these are still here to this day. Some beers and some water. That's nice. I guess this is the name Letzi. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then underneath is the name, it looks like. And then it says 1950. I guess that's when they were born. When they died, this guy died in 1966, February 22nd. It's very interesting. 71, 68, 67. And they all have all of their flowers beside their grave. I think this is how they do most of their graves, though. They bury the people above them and they put them in a coffin rather than burying them in the ground. I could be wrong, but that's how I've seen most cemeteries that I've seen so far. But I just thought this one was really interesting because it's a military one and it looked very nice. And then down here, I think there's more, but I don't know why they're bigger and more special looking. Maybe it was for bigger military people, maybe higher up, maybe officers and stuff like that. I mean, this is kind of a crappy tour, guys. I wish I could decipher the language for you or had a tour guide with me. But it is still very neat to see, and I still understand basically what it's all about. So. I mean, look at the ground. Look how big it is. The tower's way over there. Guess we'll go back and check that out. Still very interesting and really sad, actually, to see this. Oh. I got you, brother. Oh, another. Oh, no. Gotta respect the dead, right? Damn, do I have to pick all these up? Maybe I will. Got another. I got you, buddy. You didn't deserve to die. We don't hate you. And why would we? I don't even know why I said that. Oh, well, I don't even know what to do about that one. It's all broken. Okay, well, I think that's a bit about it that you can see. So, still wearing my helmet, look kind of goofy, but it's all right. That's how they do it here in Vietnam. So, Hope you guys like the tour. It's very pretty, especially at this time, sunset. And yeah, give you guys another tour in a couple days.